So I'm on Poison web page, and the first screen shows, is your kid safe? And on an average, infants and children cause 15,500 poisoning cases each year in Australia. Hence, accidental poisoning appears to be one of the top in the household. So the text is pretty clear to read, and I like the image. It's not very heavy for the eyes, and the I guess it has a writing called solution. I guess it's a button. It's easy to predict. And once when I go place the cursor on the, so I am clicking on upload image, and I'm gonna upload a sample image that I clicked earlier. I'm clicking on submit. So I like the position of submit because it's positioned to the bottom. I think it's appropriate. I'm clicking submit. Meanwhile, about the screen, I like the color. It's not too bright, and the writings and the color com- complement each other. I like the symbol of camera, and the symbol I that is used. I think that denotes information. So I'm still waiting on this page for the image to get submitted. Well, the output appears and it says good to go. The product does not contain harmful ingredients, and I think the color green uh it's nice to use the color green here because it's a positive outcome, and the color green both are complementary to one another. So now I'm gonna try to enter an input. I'm just gonna give one of the results that appears, acetone. So I'm gonna search. So well, here it says acetone, and I like the way how two output boxes appear. Both of them explain the two harmful effects of it, flammable and irritant. So then I'm able to scroll down. It says inhale may cause drowsiness, dizziness, in contact, eye contact. So there are two different buttons here. So once when I go near prevention, it ha- it gets highlighted or it moves, which indicates that there's some function that can be performed here. maybe I would like it better if there's a differentiation between the background and the button. There's a color differentiation so that it's easier to perceive. So once when I click on prevention, there are two options. Again, there are two icons here. One is the information symbol and one is a storage symbol. Use only non-sparkling tools. Keeps away from heat. Or okay, breathing. Okay, and there's information that pops out here. And storage, I think it gives me information about how to store this element or product. So store locked up, store in well ventilated place, keep cool, store in. Okay. So I'm clicking on effects and precautions again. So here I think inhalation, skin contact, and eye contact are I'm not sure what they are trying to say by these three words. And oh, okay, maybe the effect is it maybe it has okay, maybe they mean inhalation, skin contact, and eye contact are the effects. Maybe it can affect these, and the may cause drowsiness or okay, so may cause drowsiness or dizziness is the effects. I'm not very clear what inhalation and may cause drowsiness or dizziness. I don't know what they're trying to say. Maybe there can be an explanation or an heading here that says that this is the effect. If inhaled, remove person to fresh air and keep comfortable for breathing. I'm not sure which of these is the effect and precaution. But I like the symbols associated with each of the writings. They're pretty easy to understand, and beneath the three effects and precautions is other highly flammable liquid and vapor in case of fire. Okay, so I like this page overall because the color red denotes that it's hazardous and it's relatable, and both the symbols affect precaution, the buttons prevention. Again, maybe they could have gone about differentiating these. And I'm clicking on poisons again, and think I'm gonna get yeah, I'm getting redirected to my main page. So all of these functionalities I'm able to perform even by scrolling down the page. So I'm gonna explore the last option, that is SOS. So oh, okay, I like I like this function. Make a call. This one's simple and I think it's elegant. Overall, discoverability, talking about discoverability, I think it's easy to discover, and I don't have any a load, like I don't have to remember anything. It's easily guided. It gives me good feedback, and yeah, I like the color combinations, and images are mild and good to perceive. Overall, I like the web application, apart from only the one place where they could have differentiated between the two buttons. Thank you.